ശ്രീ സാമുവൽ ജെറോം, അങ്ങക്ക് എന്താണ് ഇക്കാര്യത്തിൽ കൂട്ടിച്ചേർക്കാനുള്ളത്?
No, I just wanted to add what Sir is saying. Actually, here in Yemen, that either jail. That rule does not allow in Yemen. Once either she has to be executed or she has to be released. If the family is willing to forgive, then she will be released completely. So that is what it is. Then because these things we have discussed several times. Unlike other countries, here in Yemen it is a little bit different. Here there is no. If they forgive, then she will be ready to only. Then there are small formalities with the government, and she will be released and she can go home. Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt.
No,
Sorry.
Okay.
You said it correct. You said it correct.
Yes.
We need to
Yes.
leave.
തലാലിന്റെ കുടുംബം ആ ദയാധനം സ്വീകരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിമിഷപ്രിയയ്ക്ക് മാപ്പ് നൽകട്ടെ എന്ന് നമുക്ക് ആശിക്കാം.